Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do review and demo of Minvo. With this tool, you will be able to transform your long-form videos into shareable clips, which you can post directly from Minvo to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. And great news, this tool is back to AppSumo as a Black Friday deal. For a limited time, you just have 2 days, I believe. You have the ability to get this tool with the additional 10% discount. And after 2 days, the price will increase. And Minvo will not be here for long. I think hopefully it will stay here until Black Friday event is gone, but later, mostly for sure, it will be gone from the platform. And I must say, it is really awesome. It is really a great tool. I tried it and I will show you how it works in the details. And I will show you what kind of clips can you create with this tool. Let's check some main features of Minvo. Well, after you upload a video, this tool will transform your long-form videos automatically into social media ready clips. There is a set of awesome features. You will be given subtitles automatically. It can generate B-roll footage. It can insert emojis. It can do auto framing and more. And this tool will be suitable for individuals and agencies. You can create unique brand profiles. You can create nicely looking intros, outros. You can manage fonts and logos. Moving to another very important feature. You can post directly to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn from Minvo, just in a few clicks. And you can schedule your posts, not just post immediately. Well, besides generating short video clips, it will give you the ability to create articles, LinkedIn posts from your videos. And let's take a look at the pricing plans. So license tier 1 starts from 69. And here you will need to choose how many hours of video per month you will be uploading to Minvo. We can take a look that maximum that you can have is 100 hours. So yeah, let's start exploring Minvo. It is the landing page. Yeah, just as a chair and top. It can transcribe and translate in more than 50 languages. But actually, let's take a look at the example of videos that I was able to create with Minvo. I have uploaded my Triplo AI review, and today I posted 2 videos to YouTube and TikTok, and we can see some statistics. So I've got few views with YouTube Shorts and considerably more views on TikTok with 2 videos. We can see summary here. This is the TikTok account, and I must say that I'm not an expert in short form content. I've just posted 2 videos today and got some traction actually. So let's see the example that I created with Minvo, and it took me just several minutes to create that. You call Triplo, then just select custom instruction, you can see it here, and just paste the text without a prompt. And based on my custom instruction, I am given the translation and the explanation of kanji character with meaning and how that would be written in other alphabets that Japanese language has. Another example, reply like Yoda. So you can ask how to make the best tasting drip coffee. And if you're a fan of Star Wars, you will appreciate Yoda-like style of the response. Alright, not bad. Not bad at all. So let's go back to Minvo and let's take a look at the short videos that were created in Minvo for me from my one long form video. So after uploading the video, I've got 6 suggestions, and actually I edited here and there first two, and you can see the status posted for those, and we can see that those were posted today on TikTok and YouTube. So let's explore how would you edit a particular video. And actually it is very easy. The first thing that you get is your transcript. And here you can just select text and cut it if you don't need that. So you can cut parts of your video just by cutting the text. But if you would prefer traditional editing with a timeline, you can do that. You can just put the pointer whenever you need and just split scenes. And on timeline, you can see different elements. Well, your video, you can see your transcript, and there are additional elements. For example, animated emojis. You can work with those here. You can increase the size if needed. You can drag that on the timeline, and you can change that if needed as well. You can as well add additional other elements like GIFs. So you just click on the timeline and choose what kind of content you would like to insert, sound, text, or emoji. Let's choose media. And for media, you can upload your own, you can generate with AI, or you can search. For example, if you would like to find a Yoda, well, videos, we cannot find a Yoda-like video, but with images, it is better. You can find a lot of GIFs with Yoda, maybe even stickers. You get the idea. So you can put and add to the timeline any elements that you need. And when you create a video, you will be given an option to use different presets. And I like the most MagicEdits. So you will be able to enable magic cuts to cut silences. You can add emojis automatically based on your transcript. Those are added on the fly. Magic media will be added as well. There will be added highlights for the key words, some magic sounds like typing sounds or sounds of camera flash. It can add music and clean up your audio. Great set of features. And regarding captions, you can change the style of those. You can change how those will pop, how those will appear. Those are highly customizable. And I remind you that the captions are generated automatically for you. You can as well add some sounds like you saw in my generated video. You can add intro and outro and customize background. And again, it is so easy to edit because you can just add new text or remove or fix typos. Well, it is really easy to navigate this tool. Okay, let's go back. So you get the idea. You can edit suggested videos. You can also see the whole transcript. And here, if you look to the left, we can see the parts which were suggested for a particular video. And you can extend just by dragging the slider. I think that's great. Another feature is writing. So it is your usual ChatGPT like chat where you can ask to generate show notes, YouTube descriptions. You can ask to generate tweets, articles, whatever you need right here. And you don't even need to switch the screens to go to ChatGPT or Claude or other large language model. Okay, going back, I would like to show you few remaining features which I also like. If we take a look at the left menu, besides moments, you can see that block was generated as well. You get some quotes, You get timestamps, generated titles, and the description. So yeah, that's a great tool. I think the most powerful features are really intuitive editor, which is easy to use, and ability to post from this tool right away to platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. You just hit export, choose post to social media. You can generate hashtags and descriptions right here. For example, for Instagram, you can just write a caption, let it be trendy. You can suggest hashtags. Yeah, and that's how easy it is to post on social media. Instagram, I didn't connect, but you just select the date when to upload. All right. So yeah, let's move to the conclusion. I think Minvo, yeah, as I mentioned before, is a must-have tool if you would like to master short video content faster using your long-form videos. If you would like to repurpose your long-form videos, yeah, this is a great tool, a great deal. So just go and grab it while you still can. You can get it on a lower price for a limited amount of time. It will be available for some time during the Black Friday event. So yeah, just go and grab it. Check the link to Minvo in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.